Hello everyone, welcome to 10-Minute Physiology. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a short introduction to the adrenal gland. Now in this video, we're not going to be focusing too much on the hormones that are produced by the adrenal gland, and we're not really going to be talking about their physiology either. This video is just meant to give you a short introduction to the location and the structure of our adrenal glands. We're also going to give you an idea of the different types of videos that we're going to have in this playlist. So with that, let's give it a go. So I would like to begin by first giving you the location of our adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are going to be located on top of our kidneys. So in this diagram, these green kidney bean structures are representing our kidneys. And on the very top of them, we see these pink structures. These pink structures represent our adrenal glands. Now, the adrenal glands are going to be around 4 grams, and they're going to be responsible for producing 4 hormones. The first is aldosterone, the second is epinephrine, the third is cortisol, and then the fourth is going to be norepinephrine. Now, in this video, we're not going to be focusing on the effects of these hormones. All I want you to know is that the adrenal glands can produce these 4 hormones. So what are the different layers of the adrenal glands? So the adrenal glands are going to have many different layers. And the first layer is going to be the capsule. So the capsule is connective tissue that surrounds the entire exterior of the adrenal gland. And below the capsule, we have our first layer. And the first layer is going to be the zona glomerulosa. So the zona glomerulosa is the uppermost layer of the adrenal cortex. And it's going to be responsible for producing aldosterone, which is a mineral corticoid. The second layer, which is represented by the green layer on my diagram here, is going to be the zona fasciculata. So the zona fasciculata is the second layer of the adrenal cortex, and it's going to be responsible for producing cortisol. And then the final layer of the adrenal cortex is going to be the zona reticularis, which is represented by this orange region. And it's going to be responsible for producing androgens like DHEA, and androstenedione. So remember that we have the capsule surrounding the exterior, and then we have the adrenal cortex. And remember that the adrenal cortex is made up of 3 layers. The first layer is the zona glomerulosa, the second layer is the zona fasciculata, and then the final layer is going to be the zona reticularis. So the final region of the adrenal gland is going to be the adrenal medulla. And the adrenal medulla is represented by this yellow region on my diagram. And the adrenal medulla is responsible for producing epinephrine and variable amounts of norepinephrine. And remember that epinephrine and norepinephrine are catecholamines. So these are all the layers of the adrenal gland. So in this playlist, we are going to look in detail at all of the hormones that are produced by the adrenal glands. We're going to be looking at cortisol, aldosterone, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. And what we're going to do is we're going to have videos focusing on the synthesis of each of these hormones, their cellular effects, their cellular signaling pathways, and much more. So please check out these future videos and see how each of these hormones work. So that's it for this video. I hope this video gave you an idea of what our adrenal glands are and some of the things that they produce, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.